Today we're here at the Hillcrest Indoor Pistol Club with the Alfa-Proj Carbine. This fabulous little carbine with a 12-inch barrel comes in 22LR and 357. Made in the famous town of Brno in Czechoslovakia, the quality surpasses anything on the market. The exciting Alfa-Proj Carbine comes in 357 and 22LR. They have a 12-inch barrel, nice comfortable forend, beautifully finished rear stock. They have adjustable sights. They come with a rear replacement blade and also a replacement front sight. Like all Alfa products, they come with a test target shot at 15 meters, an instruction manual, and this particular model comes with a free cleaning kit and hard case. I've got the Alfa Carbine here, 12-inch version. I'm going to fire a few rounds off and have a little bit of fun.